So let's talk about significant figures and standard form. Significant figures are how we express decimal values. So let me give you a decimal, for instance. Let's say x is 2.578. So how many significant figures is this? So it's quite simple. When you say significant, that means important, right? So the significant figures here, you count from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 significant figures. But now there's a difference between significant figures and decimal places. When we talk about decimal places, we are mainly talking about the place after the decimal point. So decimal places, so how many decimal places are here? You simply round up, you count from right to left this time. 1, 2, 3. So here we have 3 decimal places. But in terms of significant figures, we have 4 significant figures. So how about standard form? What are standard form? So when we say write something in standard form, it simply means express it in a particular or in a type of mathematical way that helps us eliminate certain zeros and simplifies our calculation. Let's say I have 0.005 and I would like to write this in in standard form. If I want to do this, I would simply start here and say 1, 2, 3. Notice how I did that. The reason why I did that is because now you write the number you have here, which is 5, multiplied by 10. How many zeros did we count? 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros. So, but remember, we counted the zeros from the left, not from the right. So it would be -3. So this is how you write standard form. Another example would be, let's say we have 4.56002, and I want to write this in standard form. Now you count from the right. You can choose to count it that way and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You stop at the decimal point. So we have 5 here. Now you can write it as 4.56 times 10 to the power 5. Or you can choose to round it up. And when you round something up, we have 6 here. The fact that this is greater than or equal to 5, you can turn it to 1 and then add it to the next number here. So instead of 5, you can have 4.6 times 10 to the power 5. So both of these are correct depending on your level of accuracy. This is more accurate than this because this is a rounded up value. So, but all in essence, this is how you write a standard form, and this is significant figures. It is used to report values like decimal values and a way to express it properly or to make our work neater. So there you have it.